Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel Sabiha's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be preparing scrumptious keema samosa. It's a most popular evening snack made during Ramadan. Samosa anyways is a favorite food in India, and when it's keema samosa it just reaches to another level of deliciousness. So let's quickly have a look at the ingredients. So here I have taken half kg minced mutton, wash it thoroughly. Freshly cut coriander leaves. Cut one onion into omelette cut. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon each. Refined oil 2 to 3 tablespoon. Mint paste 1 to 2 tablespoon. 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped. And salt as per taste. Today I'm going to be using ready-made samosa strips. In my later videos will definitely show you my homemade samosa strips. Heat oil in a pan. Now add washed mince in it. Keep stirring until it changes its color slightly on high flame. See, it has changed its color slightly. Now I'm going to be adding ginger garlic paste. Now add salt. Now goes mint paste. Guys, don't skip mint paste because mint along with onion, green chilies, coriander gives an amazing taste and aroma when filled in samosa. And the mince has started releasing its water also. So I'm not going to be adding any water. It will get cooked in the same water. So now close the lid and let it cook slowly on low flame for 8 to 10 minutes. But in between, keep checking and stirring it. Now I'm going to be checking it again. It's not done yet, so close the lid again. Now let's check one more time. All the water has evaporated, so now I'm going to be adding 1 to 2 tablespoon water so that it gets cooked nicely. Now let it simmer for 2 to 3 more minutes on low flame. Now let's check finally. Yes, our mince has cooked completely. Now increase the flame to high and cook for 1 more minute. Once all the moisture has dried up, put onions, coriander leaves and green chilies. We don't have to cook onions, we just want it to become translucent. Now mix everything very well and then switch off the flame because we don't want to cook the onions. Now bring it to a room temperature. Now let's prepare maida paste. We will be using this paste during wrapping. Add 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour and mix it in water to form a thick paste. See, our mixture has cooled down and look at the onions, it has become translucent. This is how we wanted it to be. Now comes the filling part. So I'm going to be taking one maida strip. Take 1 teaspoon filling and place it at one end of the strip and fold it in a triangular shape. Keep folding from one end to the other end. And seal the edges by applying maida paste that we have prepared. And our samosa is ready to go in oil. Similarly, we'll prepare the rest of the samosas. So let's see the steps once again. This is the step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 3. And finally apply the paste. Now let's wrap in a different way. In this one, we won't be placing a filling first. Instead, we'll fold it to form a pocket and then we'll place the filling in the pocket. Now seal the edges with the maida paste. See, I'll show you one more strip. And this one I'll show you without the filling. We'll just wrap it as it is, just to show you the steps of the wrapping. I hope it's clear now. Our samosas are ready to go in oil. Carefully slide the samosas in oil and fry them on low to medium heat until they are crisp and golden. Flip and fry both the sides. It's done. Now let's remove from oil. See how crisp they look. Similarly, fry the rest of the batches. They look so delicious. I'm going to be serving immediately with tomato ketchup and coriander chutney. Guys, I'm sure you'll love the recipe. Do try and do share your experience with us. And yes, just a gentle reminder, if you like my recipes, do like my video and subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you so much for watching my video.